Given the function f of x equals sine x plus 0.5, find the intervals where the function is increasing or decreasing on the interval 0 to pi. All right, well, what I have to do is I have to take the derivative and set it equal to 0 to get myself some critical points. So the derivative of f prime of x is going to be cosine x plus nothing. So set that equal to 0. Now, if I were to inverse cosine both sides, I would take the inverse cosine of 0 and the inverse cosine of cos x, making these guys cancel out, and then I'm left with just x's. Now, cosine is 0 at two spots in between 0 and 2 pi. It's 0 at pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. So I'm going to make myself a sine chart based off of that information right there. Okay, actually a cosine chart. So here's my, what did I call it? F prime of x. I'm stopping at 0. Okay, stopping at 0, but I'm allowed to include 0. So that's nice. I have pi over 2. I have 3 pi over 2, and so I'm going to choose these numbers to plug into my derivative. My derivative, of course, being cos x, to see what type of value I get. So I'm going to plug in 0 because I'm allowed. I'm going to plug in 2 pi because I'm allowed, and it's going to give me the same exact thing. And I'm going to plug in regular pi because it's nice snugly in between. So f prime of 0 is cosine of 0, which is positive 1. So you're positive. F prime of pi is cos of pi, which is negative 1, negative. F prime of 0 is the same thing as f prime of 2 pi, so you're positive. So it looks like we are increasing on two intervals in between 0 and 2. So we're increasing between 0 and pi over 2. And we're also increasing at 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi. That would mean we're decreasing between pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. So that gives us A. All right, fun stuff.